Whoa, it's so far away. What the fuck? I'm so like, what? Oh. How do I? Oh, it's fine. Oh. Oh. I was trying to put it all. Oh, okay. I was trying to put it all in a Snapchat, but didn't work that well. Bring this shit to a boil and skim that foam off. This shit nasty. Take it out. So you don't want that gross brown shit in there. Take it out. And then just let it simmer. Long time. Like 27 hours is fine. For perfectly cooked eggs, put eggs in boiling water that's already boiling. Oh, shoot. I need to go faster. And you have to be listening to Nightmare. 6.5 minutes, y'all. 6.5. Alright, for the egg marinade, get some of this hot shit. Oh shit, oops, that's boiling. Get some of this. And then like put it in the garlic and ginger. So like mix it infused and shit. And then you add some more stuff. Alright, now add some soy sauce. That looks good, I guess. And then mirin. This is sweet cooking wine shit. It's good. Put some of that in there. Just like, that's good. Then vinegar, just a little bit. Aight. Then put your eggs. Put your eggs in this shit. Oh, don't splash. Oh, okay. Don't splash on my jacket. And then put a paper towel on top so that they get even coverage. This makes them all brown on every side. And then put that in the fridge for like 5-7 days. Just kidding, like a day or 8 hours or so. If you look like your soup a little thirsty, give it some hot water. Oh shit, don't spill it. Oh, I spilled it, it's fine. Oh, know what I'm saying? Just do that. If you lazy and hungry, just make some instant shit. Fuck this, I'm done. Just kidding. What is he doing? She made whipped cream with a fork. What the? Right, don't be a fucking dumbass like me and forget to put the kombu shiitake shoots in. Alright, let's do it now, because it's gonna be cooking for a while. Just pop that in there. And fucking. So, don't put the paper in there. God, I'm so dumb. Turn it to low. And we'll be back in the morning, motherfucker. Alright, so it's the morning. So you check on this shit real quick before you go to class. It's doing good. Warm it up a bit, you know what I'm saying? Alright, now we're making some tare. So put like half a cup of this soy sauce. Keep going till it's half. 4th cup of mirin. I would like to meet my own Maria. A bunch of garlic and ginger, because that's like the everything.
There's not a chance I make it to 2098. Not a chance.
There.
I don't want to see the.
Half a cup of some stock.
What's going on? Nice.
A little bit of rice vinegar. And you should use brown sugar, but we don't have any, so I'm just using white. Just like.
This woman is engaged and never belongs to God now. Thank you.
My bad, I didn't say a ring.
I'm working on it. That's something I'm working on. You can't just put any ring on the hand of the most perfect woman in the world.
Alright, that looks good. Boil that shit. Make your. You gotta reduce that to make it like a nice sauce. And then this. Time to strain this motherfucker. Strain it. Alright, so you should be using chicken skin. And we're using that to make chicken fat and then put garlic in it. But we don't have any. So I'm using bacon. I hope it works. That's reduced like probably like half the amount of liquid. So you can turn this motherfucker off. Oh shit, that's the wrong one. Turn this one off. And strain the motherfucker. Garlic in the bacon fat. Not you. God, not everything's about you, motherfucker. So that's the oil you're finna use. That's gonna be for the nudes. The nudes. Okay, just be in my way, it's fine. Put some soy sauce in a bowl. Or it's not, it's the sauce. Let's see. Need a decent amount, like a maybe tablespoon. I think that's good. Then take some of this. Put it in there. It's just for flavoring. Okay. Heat that shit up. And when this is hot, put some in here. Nudes in the boiling water. Oh. Hopefully they're not frozen like these motherfuckers, but do what you want. Alright, get your eggs out. Ooh, look at that. That's nice, right? That's nice. Chop the egg. Oh shit, wait, I don't know how to do this. Oh wait, there's a fucking peel right there. Oh, it's gonna explode. Oh yeah, look at that, it's perfect. Oh yeah. I strain the nudes. Boom. Shablam. The nudes in the soup, top with a little bit of sesame oil. Oh, just a little bit. And then, oh, don't burn your hands, it's fine. Then, eggs. This is gonna like spill, I hope not. See, I don't have any other toppings, but what's up? Oh, wait. I don't have green onions or nothing, so spinach.
You need green onion.
Shut up. There should be more toppings, but I'm tired. Alright, let's try it.
You go to the gym later with me?
Depends. I have
Oh,
fag
huh.
from 8 to 12.
4.
I have class until
Ow.
12.
By my throat, it's fine. Are you good? Need some more something though. I need some shit. Fuck. Missing something.
Want me to make you a bagel?
Damn it.
No, like,
Well, next time I'm using more
well, next time, shut the fuck
chicken.
up.
You are so annoying. Wait, it doesn't even switch. Oh, it doesn't even put the bunny, or what is it, a fucking bee? Well, next time it needs more chicken and chicken fat.
And less
shit.
shocking.
Shut the fuck up.